We're sitting in Joel's Blazer. We're about to go see his truck that is smashed into a tree down the hill. According to Joel, the truck's down here somewhere, and Zach was hunting, and the dog was in the truck, and the dog put the truck into gear, and the truck rolled down the hill. Right. What do you think about that, Bill?
I don't know. It sounds pretty suspicious to me.
Me too. That would be the tailgate.
Does the tailgate lock?
Yeah, the little things are rusted, so you gotta hit them with a hammer, so it'll be alright coming down. Port side.
We can see Joel now. Coming down to the where he is.
Okay.
Yeah. Tell the story.
Alright. Walking up top where that plateau is. You park just with enough pitch right there and kind of down on Stupid.
Now, wait a minute. I don't know that we believe that Stupid did this.
You see where he came through, nobody else. Stupid 1 and Stupid 2, maybe.
Okay, so we've got the Blazer in position.
Right.
And we're going to stretch out a lot of cable. And the truck is down here in the trees. It's quite steep. Okay.
We did when we were in 9th grade, basically.
This is just a redo 20 years later. 25 years later. Okay. This is the way out. So the idea here is to stretch out a couple hundred yards of cable. See if we can jerk this thing up the hill. Here's the path through the trees here. There's the culprit, supposed, alleged. Came down through here. Knocked that tree there down. Down through the trees. Amazing. Here's some parts. That looks like the piece of my four-wheeler. Oops. Here's where some digging went on. Because Joel had to get in here with a chainsaw and cut some stuff out. Looks like he's actually lost ground. Here's your damage. Oops. Ugly. Center punched a tree.
Wonder how many times it got airborne.
I bet you got airborne several. Whole thing cracks me up for some reason. I guess I shouldn't laugh. That stump looks like where it came to rest against that tree. Had to saw the tree down. Here's part of the problem. The tires are road tires.
Any last words?
Well, it looks like it's going out a lot easier than we thought it would.
Toe line.
Yeah. I can't believe you got it out.
Yeah, actually, the way that worked out, unbelievable. Because I kept thinking any second it's going to bind up and we're going to work something else out. It just walked right up and out.
It did. It was amazing.
That was cool.
It was amazing. So we only got a couple 300 yards left to go. This part will be easy. What do you think, Bill?
I think it will be. It should be a walk in the park.
Awesome.
I mean, it kept a perfectly straight course. There's about 3 2-foot drop off. Pure rock.
Wow.
Because this is where I thought we were going to have to tow it out from. I said, I don't know what. Whatever. That's that plateau. So think about that. That's what this kid.
We're almost doing the first there.
So I was guessing. First I was guessing 500 from here.
I don't think it was that far. I would have shot that far with a deer, so I don't know.
2,000 yard deer before.
Yeah, I've shot him in 800.
Amazing. Well, that's cool.
Just worked.
What do you think, Zig?
Ziggy.
Want to ride in the black truck?
Who let the dogs out?